So let's solve this previous year question of CAT 2017 of slot 2, which is on the topic profit and loss. So it's given that the manufacturer of a table sells it to a wholesaler dealer at a profit of 10%. The wholesaler dealer sells the table to a retailer at a profit of 30%. Finally, the retailer sells it to a customer at a profit of 15%. If the customer pays rupees 4290 for the table, then the manufacturing cost is. So it is a pretty easy question. So so let me route. This is the manufacturer. He sells to the wholesaler. Then wholesaler sells it to the retailer, and then retailer sells this to the customer. Now, so this is the chain going on. Okay, so if let's say manufacturer has it for 100, and then he sells the cost price for manufacturer is 100, and he sells it up at a profit of 10%. So he's selling at 1110, earning 10% profit. Okay, then the cost price for wholesaler becomes 1110, and then wholesaler sells to the retailer at 30% profits. So 30% of 1110 would be 33. So that gives us 143. That is the cost price for retailer. Okay, now then retailer sells it at a profit of 50% to the customer. So 50% profit, that means 71.5, 143 plus 71.5, that gives us 214.5. So that is the amount that customers pay. So according to us, the amount is coming out to be 214.5, but according to the question, that is 4290. Okay, so what is the manufacturing cost? So what was the manufacturing cost? That was 100. So we need to calculate the value of 100. So how can we calculate it? So if I calculate the value of 1, that would come out to be 4290 divided by 214.5, and I need the value of 100, so I'll just multiply this side by 100 and this side by 100 too. So I'll get 100, the value of 100 as 4290 into 100 upon 214.5. Now you can use your on-screen calculator to calculate this. It will come out to be 4290 divided by 214.5. So this comes out to be 2000. So the value of 100 2000. So the answer for this question is option number B. This was one of the pros to solve this question. Another, you can go like you can also take the cost to the manufacturer is X, then it increased by 10%, that is 1.1x, then it again increased by 30%, then again, like, you can also take the variable and then solve the question. So the answer for this question will be 2000.